Racing cars have evolved over the years, not just in terms of speed, but also design and technology. You're in for a treat. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of these mechanical marvels, exploring their intriguing evolution and the exhilarating journey they have embarked on. From the humble beginnings of automobiles in the late 19th century to the lightning-fast, aerodynamically optimized machines we see on racetracks today, racing cars have come a long way. And it's not just about the need for speed. The journey of racing cars is a tale of human ingenuity, innovation, and an unyielding pursuit of excellence. In this video, we'll cover an array of captivating topics. We'll start by understanding the primal human desire for speed, the adrenaline rush that has spurred many a racer to push the boundaries of what's possible. Then, we'll explore the art of design, delving into the aesthetic and functional aspects that have shaped racing cars over the years. The technological revolution, too, plays a crucial role in this narrative. We'll look at how advancements in technology have transformed these speed machines, equipping them with cutting-edge features that are as mind-boggling as they are impressive. Finally, we'll cast our gaze into the future, contemplating what lies ahead for racing cars. Will they break new speed records? Will they become more eco-friendly? Or perhaps, will they transcend the realm of human drivers and venture into the world of autonomous racing? The possibilities are as endless as they are exciting. As we embark on this journey, we invite you to marvel at the evolution of racing cars, a testament to human creativity and resilience. So, sit back, relax, and let the roar of the engines and the smell of burning rubber transport you to the thrilling world of high-speed racing. Buckle up as we take you on an adrenaline-packed journey through the history of racing cars. When we talk about racing cars, the first thing that comes to mind is speed. The pursuit of speed, it's the lifeblood of racing. It's what gets the heart pumping, the adrenaline rushing, and it's what has shaped the evolution of racing cars. From the very beginning, the goal has been simple: to be the fastest. But achieving that goal, now that's where things get interesting. In the early days of racing, the concept of speed was relatively simple. Cars were stripped down, bare-bones machines designed to go as fast as possible with what little technology was available. They were raw, they were powerful, and they were incredibly fast for their time. The land speed record in the early 20th century was a whopping 127 miles per hour, a feat achieved by a steam-powered vehicle known as the Stanley rocket. But as technology advanced, so too did the pursuit of speed. The introduction of superchargers in the 1920s allowed cars to reach previously unimaginable speeds. The Mercedes-Benz SSK, for instance, could reach speeds of over 130 miles per hour, a truly astonishing feat for the time. The post-war era saw the advent of aerodynamics in car design. Cars became sleeker, more streamlined, and speed records were shattered left and right. The emphasis shifted from raw power to a combination of power and design. The Jaguar D-Type, for example, was not only a powerful machine, but also an aerodynamic marvel that could reach speeds of over 170 miles per hour. In the modern era, the quest for speed has reached new heights. With the advent of hybrid and electric technologies, racing cars are faster, more efficient, and more powerful than ever before. The Bugatti Veyron Supersport, for instance, holds the current speed record at a mind-boggling 267.8 miles per hour. From the early days of racing to the modern era, the quest for speed has truly been a driving force behind the evolution of racing cars. Design is not just about aesthetics in racing cars, it's about aerodynamics, safety, and performance. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the art of design in the world of racing cars. Design, in this context, is not only about creating a visually pleasing machine, but also about producing a vehicle that slices through the air, keeps the driver safe, and performs at the highest level. In the early years of racing, cars were bulky and heavy, with an emphasis more on durability than speed. However, as the years progressed, so did the understanding of aerodynamics. Designers began to realize that the shape of a car could significantly affect its performance. This led to the creation of sleeker, more streamlined vehicles that could cut through the air with greater ease and speed. Take, for example, the iconic wedge-shaped Lotus 72. Introduced in the early 70s, this car revolutionized the way designers thought about aerodynamics. Its radical design reduced drag, allowing it to move faster and more efficiently than its predecessors. Safety, too, has always been a crucial aspect of racing car design. In the past, crashes often led to severe injuries or even fatalities. But as technology advanced, so did the focus on creating safer vehicles. Modern racing cars now feature designs that include reinforced roll cages, energy-absorbing materials, and advanced restraint systems. And then, of course, there's performance. The need for speed has always driven the design of racing cars. From the powerful engines of the classic Ford GT40 to the advanced hybrid systems of today's Le Mans prototypes, every aspect of a racing car's design is geared towards pushing the boundaries of speed and performance. And let's not forget the role of innovation in design. Designers are constantly pushing the envelope, coming up with new ways to improve aerodynamics, increase safety, and boost performance. This constant evolution is what keeps the world of racing cars so exciting and dynamic. From the classic designs of the past to the sleek aerodynamic shapes of today, racing car design has come a long way. And as we move into the future, who knows what exciting designs we'll see next? Technology has always been at the heart of racing cars, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Indeed, the history of racing cars is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of speed and efficiency. Our journey begins in the early days of racing, when mechanical systems were the name of the game. Engines were a marvel of mechanical engineering, with gear ratios, suspension systems, and aerodynamics all playing a crucial role. It was a time when drivers not only needed to be skilled at the wheel, but also have a deep understanding of the inner workings of their machines. But as we moved into the mid-20th century, a new player entered the scene: electronics. The introduction of electronic fuel injection systems marked a significant shift in how racing cars were designed and operated. These systems allowed for greater fuel efficiency and more precise control over engine performance, offering an edge in the fiercely competitive world of racing. The end of the 20th century brought about another revolution, this time in the form of computer systems. Onboard computers became commonplace, monitoring everything from engine temperature to tire pressure and feeding this information back to the driver and the pit crew. This gave rise to a new era of strategic racing, where data and analytics could make the difference between victory and defeat. And let's not forget the role of simulation technology. Long before a race car hits the track, it's put through its paces in a virtual environment. These simulations allow teams to fine-tune their vehicles and strategies, preparing for every possible scenario on race day. Now, as we stand on the brink of the 21st century's third decade, we're seeing the rise of hybrid and electric technologies, self-learning algorithms, and even autonomous racing cars. Each new development promising to redefine what's possible on the racetrack. So, as we look back on the technological journey of racing cars, one thing is clear. This is a field that never stands still, that never stops innovating. As technology continues to evolve, so does the world of racing cars, constantly raising the bar of performance and efficiency. As we look to the future, one can't help but wonder, what's next for racing cars? Imagine, if you will, a world where the roar of the engine is replaced by the hum of electricity. The future of racing cars could very well be electric. With leaps in battery technology and the ongoing global push towards greener, more sustainable energy sources, electric racing cars are no longer a distant dream, but an imminent reality. These electric beasts promise not only to reduce carbon emissions, but also to deliver unparalleled acceleration, thanks to the instant torque provided by electric motors. Now, let's venture a bit further into the future. Think autonomous driving. Yes, the idea of driverless racing cars might seem a bit far-fetched, even sacrilegious to purists, but consider this. Autonomous technology can push a car to its absolute limits with mathematical precision, taking every turn and straight at the optimal speed and angle. It's a future where the thrill of racing is not just about the driver's skill, but the prowess of artificial intelligence. And let's not forget about the materials that make up these speed demons. The use of advanced materials, such as carbon fiber and graphene, can make the cars of the future lighter, stronger, and more aerodynamic. Imagine a racing car so light, yet so strong, that it seems to defy the laws of physics as it screams down the track. What about the integration of augmented reality in the cockpit? Or perhaps biofeedback systems that adjust the car's performance based on the driver's physical and mental state? The possibilities are as limitless as our imagination. While we can't predict the future with certainty, one thing is for sure: the world of racing cars will continue to evolve, driven by the relentless pursuit of speed, design innovation, and technological advancement. The checkered flag of the future is waiting, and the race is on. From their humble beginnings to their current state of high-speed, high-tech marvels, racing cars have come a long way. In just a few short centuries, racing cars have transformed from simple, slow-moving machines into lightning-fast, technologically advanced vehicles. The intrigue of racing cars is inextricably linked to our innate desire for speed, thrill, and competition. This love for speed has driven us to create machines that not only embody power and performance, but are also works of art in their design and engineering. The need for speed has always been a driving force behind the evolution of racing cars. From the earliest days of motor racing, when the thrill of speed was an end in itself, to the present day, where speed is still king, but with an added emphasis on safety and sustainability. The quest for speed has pushed the boundaries of what is possible, leading to remarkable advancements in automotive technology. The art of designing racing cars is a fascinating blend of form and function. The aesthetics of a racing car are as important as its performance capabilities. Designers go to great lengths to create vehicles that are visually stunning, while engineers work tirelessly to ensure these beautiful machines can withstand the rigors of high-speed racing. The technological revolution has had a profound impact on the world of racing cars. Advances in materials science, aerodynamics, and computer technology have revolutionized the way racing cars are designed and built. Today's racing cars are more than just fast. They are smart, efficient, and safer than ever before. The future of racing cars is an exciting prospect. With the advent of electric and autonomous technology, the possibilities are virtually limitless. As we look ahead, we can expect to see even faster, safer, and more efficient racing cars that continue to push the boundaries of what is possible. As we continue to push the boundaries of speed, design, and technology, one can only imagine what the next chapter in the history of racing cars holds. Until then, keep the pedal to the metal.